Well, this video is dedicated to providing you with 5 practical and feasible solutions to settle the matter, allowing you to easily regain control of your device. Part 2. Preparations before fixing iPhone SIM card stuck. 1. Check the warranty. Open iPhone Settings General about Find Serial Number. Check warranty at checkcoverage.apple.com using the serial number. Follow on-screen prompts to verify. 2. Backup contacts on your iPhone to prevent data loss. This precaution is essential because if you encounter the SIM card tray stuck in your iPhone due to an error, you risk losing all your valuable data. Fortunately, Mobikin Assistant for iOS offers professional iPhone management capabilities. How to back up iPhone contacts with Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Initiate software installation and connection. Step 2. Accessing contacts on your computer. Step 3. Instantly backing up iPhone contacts. Part 3. How to fix SIM card stuck in iPhone 5 solutions. Solution 1. Clean your iPhone tray. Solution 2. Open the SIM card slot with a paper clip. Solution 3. Employ sticky adhesive. Solution 4. Take off the back panel of the iPhone. Solution 5. Reach out to a local mobile repair service.